This right here is $100 no deposit bonus that you can use to trade. Yes, and you can also withdraw from it. Okay, so as you can see, I've gotten mine already. Yes, I've gotten mine already, and I'm already trading with it. Okay, so go and get yours right now. You can also withdraw from it once you meet the terms and conditions. Okay, the required terms and conditions, which I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So once you meet the required terms and conditions, you can withdraw from this broker. Okay, so let's go. So the link to claiming this bonus will be in the description below. Okay, so once you go to the description below, you click on join my Telegram channel, or you can click on claim the bonus right here. So once you click on it, it's going to take you straight to my Telegram channel, which you can see right here. Yes, this is my Telegram channel. Okay, so it's going to bring you straight to this channel. Yes, and as you can see, I've updated my guys already that I'm going to be dropping the $100 no deposit bonus very soon. Okay, so if you know you want to be part of this community, you have to join my Telegram channel for daily updates. I update this channel every day. Every day. Okay, so if you know that you're not part of this community, please make sure you join right now so I can be getting daily update. Okay, and 76% of you who watch my videos haven't subscribed yet. Please, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe to this channel if you know that you are enjoying my content on Forex no deposit bonuses. Please just take a second to subscribe, like my videos, like this particular video so that YouTube can push it to more people and they can also benefit from these videos. Okay, so like my videos, comment the country where you're watching from so that I can keep making videos for your country. Turn on the notification bell to get more updates. Okay, so please make sure you subscribe to this channel, comment, like, share my videos. Okay, so that more people can benefit from it. Okay, so let's go into the video.
All we do is take a little risk and make plenty of money. That's all we do. Are you prepared to take a little risk?
So let's take a look at the terms and conditions. Okay, so you can see it right here that to withdraw profits generated in the no deposit bonus trading account, traders must meet the following conditions. So number one is what trading volume requirements. That is, traders must complete a trading volume of 50 standard lots within 30 days to withdraw profits earned from trading. Okay, so you must complete a trading volume of 50 standard lots within 30 days to withdraw profits. Okay, to withdraw your profits. So the second one is maximum profit withdrawal. So the maximum profits available for withdrawal is $100 per customer, so you can withdraw $100 from it. Okay, so these are the terms and conditions required for withdrawal. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to download the app. So that's the first thing. As you can see, the name of the app is DD Max. So you first download it, is installing. Okay, so once you're done doing that, you click on open. Okay, so once you click on open, it's going to bring this interface out where you are to log in. But if you know that you don't have an account, you have to sign up first. Okay, so you're going to be inputting your first name, your phone number, your email, your DD Max program reward, which is not join the program. That's what you're going to be clicking on, not join the program. Okay, so you're going to ignore the referral ID, then you click on this USD, then confirm, that is accept the customer's agreement, then you click on register. As you can see, it is processing. So once you click on register, it's going to bring you over to this interface where you're going to be having your login details, that is your login email and your password. They are going to give you their own password. Okay, so you just need to save it somewhere, and you can also find it in your email. Okay, you can find it in your email. So once you're done doing that, you just click on login. Yes, so once you log in, you're going to be inputting that same email and password, okay, that we received. So we're going to be putting it right here. So once we do that, we'll click on sign in. So as you can see that it's loading. Yeah, so once you click on sign, it's going to bring you over to this interface where you're going to be saying live account. Yes, so you're going to click on get bonus. So they'll ask you, do you want to open new MT5 account? So you click on confirm. So once you do that, you'll be getting your login details that you're going to be using to log into MT5. So you're going to get your ID, your trading password, the name of the server. Okay, so we're going to be logging into MT5 right now. So this is it right here, MT5. So once you click on it, you're also going to be getting your login details in your email. Okay, you can also get it there. So let's go straight to MT5. Yes, so this is it right here, MT5. I got my login details too. So we're going to go straight to MT5. Okay, so this is it right here. So once you click on it, we click on manage accounts, then you click on the plus button. So you're going to go straight to find broker. Then you click on DD Max. So once you click on DD, it's going to bring it out. So you click on it, then you're going to be putting your login details and your password. After doing that, you click on login, okay? So as you can see, I've gotten my $100 no deposit bonus. Yes, I've gotten mine already. It's as simple as that. And you can use it to trade. And you can also withdraw from it once you meet the required terms and conditions, okay? So it's as simple as that. So go and get yours right now. It's still available. And comment the country where you are watching from, okay? So that I can be giving you more content. Yes, okay? So go and claim yours right now. It's still available. Thank you.